What is the price of time? For most, it's a glance at a glowing glass rectangle in their pocket. For others, it's a $500 plastic wearable that tracks steps but loses its soul after a year of software updates. But there is a third group. A group that refuses to compromise between the timeless elegance of Swiss horology and the raw power of the digital age. Today, we are stepping into the world of the TAG Heuer connected Calibre E5. This isn't just a smartwatch. In 2026, this is the definitive statement that the Silicon Valley look is dead, and Swiss intelligence has arrived. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you've ever felt that your Apple Watch looks like a toy next to a tailored suit, or if you've been waiting for a luxury timepiece that actually respects your data and your lifestyle, stay exactly where you are. We are about to uncover why the Calibre E5 is causing a massive shift in the luxury market, and why the Made for iPhone certification might be the most dangerous move TAG Heuer has ever made against its competitors. Let's address the tension immediately. Why would anyone spend $1,600, $2,000, or even $5,000 on a digital watch? To understand the Calibre E5, you have to stop thinking about it as a gadget. In the world of luxury, you don't pay for the screen, you pay for the case. When you hold the 45mm titanium version of the E5, you aren't feeling mass-produced aluminum. You're feeling grade 2 titanium, sandblasted to a stealth finish that absorbs light rather than reflecting it. You're feeling the weight of 160 years of racing heritage. TAG Heuer didn't just put a chip in a box. They built a Carrera that happens to have a heartbeat made of code. But here's where 2026 gets interesting. For the first time, TAG Heuer has officially moved away from the generic feel of Wear OS. The Calibre E5 runs on the proprietary TAG Heuer OS. Why does this matter? Because for years, luxury smartwatches felt like expensive shells running cheap software. Not anymore. This new operating system is a masterpiece of minimalism. It's clean, it's lightning fast, and it's finally made for iPhone, MFI certified. For the US audience, this is the holy grail. You get the seamless connectivity of an Apple Watch, the calls, the notifications, the sync, but with the face of a legendary Swiss chronograph. It's the ultimate stealth wealth move. Let's talk about the display. We've all seen good screens. But the E5 features a high-fidelity AMOLED panel protected by a domed sapphire crystal that is so clear, it looks like the digital hands are floating on the glass. In the new 40mm model, this crystal creates a glassbox effect, reminiscent of the vintage 1960s Carreras. When you're walking down Wall Street or sitting in a boardroom in Chicago, the way the light catches that sapphire doesn't scream tech. It whispers class. And with the 2026 update to the always-on technology, the watch face never truly goes black. It dims into a sophisticated low-power state that maintains the look of a mechanical watch 24/7. No more dead black rectangle on your wrist. Now, let's go under the hood. The E5 is powered by the Snapdragon 5100 Plus chipset. But power without purpose is just a drain on the battery. TAG Heuer has used this silicon to solve the biggest headache in the luxury wearable world, battery life. In 2026, the 45mm model is achieving a